have day 18 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints in order for me to receive this wonderful Halloween themed trophy. Now, in order for me to receive said trophy, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, edit it, and upload it on a daily basis here on the channel. Today we have the Elder one, printed in 2 parts with marble filament. Let's see how it turns out. Here we have a full scale or replica size of the Elder one. Now that we've completed that print for today, leave a comment down below what you guys think tomorrow's print will be, and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button to let us know what videos you like on the channel. Also, if you guys can, make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow with another Halloween themed print.